How to compress Google Photo storage, save space easily. Hey everyone, Max here. Welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial. Today I'll show you how to compress your Google Photo storage and save a ton of space. Super simple, and it only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your device. Tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Turn on Backup and confirm it by tapping Turn on again. If prompted, make sure to allow the required permissions. Once backup is turned on, tap the profile icon again and go to Photo Settings. Next, tap on Backup. Scroll down until you see Backup Quality and tap on it. Here, select Storage Saver, then hit Select to confirm. That's it. Google Photos will now compress your photos and videos before uploading, helping you save storage without losing quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon for more smart tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.